in action. We're back in the action, boys. Hey boys, a little under the weather today, not gonna lie. I get these really crazy migraines. I've actually been hospitalized for one like 10 years ago. It's really weird when it happens, but hence the glasses. They're not supposed to be stylish. They were $7 on Amazon. They're blue light. Apparently it helps. Actually, it does help. I don't have a lot of energy to do a regular video today, but I've been doing some stuff down in the basement here, kind of like making it better. And I thought I'd document that because I feel lazy if I don't put something up today. Working on the computer isn't gonna happen because of the migraine. So I thought I'd take you just with the process of what we've done so far with this basement area, pretty much the chill zone. Oh man, these glasses are bad. Yeah, I don't even chill upstairs anymore, bro. So just kind of the plans, and I kind of wanted to document this. From what you guys saw, if you guys saw the room tour, maybe you didn't actually, here's the room. Not a ton has changed. I got up to some stuff this morning to keep a little busy. I'll show you in a second, but that I want to take upstairs again. That was the table that I had in the living room upstairs. Probably put one right here. I want to get rid of this damn chair because it doesn't match anything, but people come over and we're missing seats. So I guess, you know, the wife says it stays, it stays. This is what I've been working on though, bro. And also somebody mentioned last one, this painter tape and stuff, take it off. I gotta get this window fixed like in the summertime because it gets like moisture and stuff. So that's just to keep the moisture out. Anyway, the main thing, boys, on my head is, have you ever seen a TV with no cords, bro? I'm proud of myself as a motherfricker for this, bro. So what I was doing today is I lined all the cords and stuff through the ceiling here. We actually got the little setup right here. I'm gonna have a desk there at one point, you know, little computer set up underneath the stairs. But we got the switch, we got the Apple iHome or something. I don't know what it is, bro. It's like surround sound. I actually want another one for it over there. I think that'd be awesome. Then the Apple TV, all going through there to here with the fireplace. I'm stoked about it. Actually, I gotta turn that motherfricker off, bro. It's getting hot in here. I gotta hang this up today. That's pretty much what we've been working on. Also, took down the Christmas tree, put this up. You can see it. I might not be the best at darts, boys, but I'm trying. I just hit this, bro, 3 in a row. I was actually gonna leave that up till like somebody comes. Wait, where's the? Oh, I took the other one out. Stupid. I swear to God, bro, the other one was right here. I swear to God, on the green. I sent a picture to my cousin because he set it up at the right height. He's a dart player. I set it up at the right heights, and then you got this right here. Damn. Now you guys won't believe me. Anyway, I left it there to show people that I'm good, and then I messed it up. Hold on, I'm gonna throw it in right now. You see that, bro? You see that, bro? It's pretty close. I was even trying, dude. Anyway, I think I'm gonna be like an expert dart player when I'm growing up or something. It's probably what I'm gonna work on. Other than that, that's like I say, bro, lazy video. I like to think that you guys watch the videos, not to see what I'm unboxing and stuff, but just to get in the mind of a freaking weird dude. Which is, like, I just know I'm weird at this point. So I assume it's entertaining. This is what I wanted to ask you guys about though. I don't like these glasses, man. It looks smart. It just doesn't fit the vibe. This right here, this is the washroom, right? We got that, like, nice white light. You feel me? Everything else in there is yellow. I told the guy I wanted to film down here when we were renovating this thing. And he put yellow lights like an idiot. So this is the place with white light. If I close the damn door, should I film here? Is this better from the last videos? That's what I'm really wondering. And also, I don't mind the toilet being in the background. I actually think that's more funny. Also, echo in here might be a problem. Also, now I'm taking you through all this stuff, bro. My girl keeps buying these bad plants. They're weird. They smell awful. Anyway, let me know if that's something that we should do in terms of filming. Anyway, boys, I think that's it. Also, I just realized this right here, that's from Ian the other night. That was over there. I was trying to clean up the main space. Boys, I'm still off the drinks. I'm doing really well, which is crazy. You know what I mean? Not off the MJ, if you know what that means. That's staying. That's definitely staying. But I don't recommend. I should chill. This is why we're shout out BAN. Yeah, that's kind of what my day's been like, doing the basement. Appreciate you guys for watching. We'll have a video real soon. These migraines usually last about a day or two or whatever the hell. Yeah, thanks guys for watching. I know it's kind of stupid, but I'm glad to do kind of the updates on the process of what's going on down here. Like I say, I'd love some art over there. I gotta talk to the girl, bro. She doesn't like art. She wants it to be plain. That's chill. I don't want to put up like picture, just one big piece right there. It looks sick. We're gonna work on that. Actually, I'm not even gonna work on it. She does work trips a lot, so I'm just gonna probably purchase one and put it up, and she'll come home and see it, and it's not getting taken down because I'm gonna bolt it to the wall. Appreciate you guys. That's it. Let me know what you think about how it's turning out so far, though. Bye.